Salto.
No, this is sugar.
Salto.
No.
Salto.
You're saying salt.
Salto?
No, sato.
Sato.
Yeah.
What's
You're just saying salto. Hi, I'm Rie.
Hi, I'm Alix. Last time, Rie challenged me to make inari sushi recipe using only Japanese instructions, and it was so much fun that now I'm back.
はい、ルールは前と同じです。アレックスは今日何を作るか知りません。そして私はアレックスに日本語でしか料理を教えることができません。
What she said.
Yeah, you understood, right?
I remember a few words, actually. Gambaro. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, iro, hero.
Okay, well, let's get started.
I guess I haven't improved.
頑張ろう。さあ、アレックス、今日の材料はこちらです。
Thank you. I'm excited to be here too.
Okay. Hey, can you guess what we are making today?
Is it a dessert? Tofu popsicle.
じゃあ、アレックス。じゃあ最初にレモンとライムの
Lemon.
皮を
Grate the lemon.
Wow, I didn't even finish the sentence.
Am I psychic? Am I
Yes.
psychic?
By the way, this lemon is from my yard.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
If life gives you lemon.
Make something with tofu, I guess. How do you say that in Japanese when life gives you lemon?
We don't have that phrase.
Do you have any sayings? Like, don't eat the yellow snow.
That looks good.
Is good?
はい。じゃあ次に
Okay.
ライム。
Hi. Lime. Next. The whole one? Japanese and American cultures are very, very different. But I think that's what helps us get along.
Yeah.
Like, where opposites attract.
That's true.
I just grated my thumb a little bit.
Oh no.
Hi.
はい。上手。じゃあ次に覚えてるかな？砂糖小さじ1。
I know that's
小
sato.
さじ。
Kosaji.
And 1?
Kosaji?
No. 1?
Ichi, one. 1 teaspoon?
Yes!
In? Oh,
混ぜます。
matemasu. Ooh.
Cute.
Cute.
はい。じゃあこれは置いておきます。
Okay, over
Hi.
here?
Hi.
And over here.
で次にレモンとライムを絞ります。
Juice it?
じゃあ絞りましょ
A knife. Okay. Oh, look, it's like a little citrus knife.
う。Yeah.
Hi?
はい。
Hi?
はい。
Together?
Hi.
Like in the bowl? Okay.
あ、逆じゃないそれ。
I actually think it's supposed to be this way. I saw an article, like a BuzzFeed article, that was like 12 things you're doing wrong. And it was like one of these
That
things.
makes sense.
It
Yeah.
makes more sense, right? Let's try it.
Wow, I learned something new.
Wow, can you believe I taught her something? Like, I think that's a first in my life.
じゃあ粉砂糖。
Konazato.
粉砂糖。
Konazato. Bowl?
粉砂糖。
Tofu? Oh no, tofu's tofu. Konazato? No, that's shimokino or something.
We'll get there.
Konazato.
はい。
Hi?
粉砂糖。
Konazato.
1カップ。
1 cup.
はい。
Cup?
Yes.
Wow.
1カップ。
に
はい。
Or
Ichi.
C.
C。レモンとライムの絞り汁を大さじ2杯入れます。
Something about the lemon and the lime. Put it all in here. Put it all in here?
大さじ 2?
Wasaji ni.
大さじ
Osaji
2。
ni. To this. To this?
はい。
In here?
はい。
To this.
はい。
Ooh.
Wow.
Neat.
はい。混ぜます。
Stir?
はい。
Ooh, like a little glaze kind of thing?
はい。
Hi, a lemon lime glaze. Maybe like a tofu cake with a glaze? Like a lemon tofu cake?
Maybe. Nice consistency.
Nice. That's thick. She thick.
じゃあ次のステップに行きましょう。はい。
Hi.
豆腐。
Tofu?
はい。
Hi.
200グラム。Do you know why it's 200? It's a number. 200。
200. Okay, so 200 grams of this?
Hi.
Okay.
ちょっと待って。
Shut your mouth, eh?
I said ちょっと待って。Not shut your mouth. 水を捨てて。Do you remember 水？
Water.
200グラム。
Oh, 199. Oh, 200.
OK、200。じゃあ次に白玉粉。
Drain it.
白玉粉。
Shiratakamo. Oh, this one.
はい。
Oh, shiratamago.
2分の1カップ。
Each cup, 1 cup.
2分の1。
Half a cup?
はい。
Uh,
あと豆腐
tofu?
Hi.
I have tofu?
入れます。で、
I have no idea what's happening. Like, what is this
まだまだ。
gonna happen to this? What? Make it a thing? Oh, should I go faster?
じゃあ次に2分の1カップ薄力粉。薄力粉。
Hakurikiko.
薄力粉。
薄力粉
はい。2分の1カップ。
1 cup? Half a cup.
はい。そうそうそう。そうそうそう。
あ
はい。じゃあ次に砂糖。
Sato. I know sato. Sato.
はい。4分の1カップ。
Fourth of a cup?
Yes。
Okay.
4分の1。
Shoop.
はい。
Shoop.
で、塩。
Shio. Yeah.
1つまみ。
Hitotsumi.
はい。1つまみ。はい。That's good. You know, sumo wrestler does that too.
Really?
Yeah. When they
Oh my
get
God,
on the
that's
stage,
amazing.
they sprinkle salt. 片栗粉。
Hatakuriko.
片栗粉。
Katakuriko.
はい。大さじ1。What is 1?
大さじ
はい。大さじ。
1 tablespoon?
はい。
Hi. Or?
Yes.
Shoop. Shoop.
ベーキングパウダ
Bake. Oh, I wonder what that one is.
ー。小さじ2。
Kosaji.
2。2。
2.
はい。はい。はい。じゃあ、それを混ぜます。
Stir it up.
はい。
You guys really like to use your hands for a lot of things, I feel like.
I like making stuff by hand.
Because you can like kind of feel it.
もっと
Motto. Really
ひとまとまりになるように。
Oh? What?
ひとまとまり。
Hitomato. Like all mixed in. Is it like a dough?
そ
A dough.
う。そうそうそうそう。
Oh.
滑らかになるまで。
Did you say American?
滑らか。
Oh, in America?
滑らか。It's smooth.
A smooth.
いや、
Oh, hi.
はい。
Hi.
よくできました。
Yokodekamashita.
じゃあ次にこれを成形していきます。
Like
丸
make
め
it
ま
a
す。
ball or something?
そう。でもちょっと待って。
Tatamate.
We need one more step before we go this. It's origami time. これを切ります。
Cutting it.
半分に折ります。
Half? This way?
はい。はい。切ります。
With a knife? That works.
Right?
Nice.
はい。じゃあこれを3等分。
Sandwich?
3 No, no, no. 3 1
It's a song?
No,
you
no,
need?
no.
Oh.
1 2
Ichi, san. Oh, 3.
はい。
Like that?
そうそうそうそうそう。
Like that?
はい。切ります。
Oh, cut it.
はい。
Oh, yeah.
はい。それで大丈夫。
Daijoubu.
で次にもう1個。
3?
はい。6個。
Toko.
6個。
Roko.
6個。
6? The one number I never can get right.
そ
6 balls.
う。小さい。
Small?
いや。
Are you just weighing it? in your hand?
Just wanted to
Like weighing
feel it. 同じ重さでね。同じ大きさ。
What?
同じ大きさ。
What?
同じ大きさ。
Make it the same.
So,
That looks
so,
pretty
so, so, so.
similar. Hi! Hi! I think I know what I'm making.
Really?
Is it this thing? Hi?
はい。
Hi! Hi, I got
Hi.
a little too excited. I think I messed it up a little.
No, 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 大丈夫。
Hi?
でくっつけます。
Squeeze? A little squishy?
そうそうそう。Supposed to make 4 of them, but let's make
Well,
just
just like
2.
a big one.
Yeah.
What is it called?
It's もちドーナ。
Mochi donut.
Yes. じゃあ次にこれを揚げます。
Agemasu.
What do you do with donut? How do you cook it?
Fry.
Yes. 揚げ
揚げ
ま。
ます
じゃあ Alex 揚げます。
Agemasu.
このまま。
Fry the donut.
Yes.
We're just one at a time.
Hi.
We were supposed to make 4 and we only made 2.
大きいからね。
Fry the paper?
ゆっくりね。
The whole thing?
そうそうそう。
With the paper?
はい。
Or fry the
Trust
paper?
me. Yes. 紙が自然に剥がれます。
This is mentally exhausting, guys.
So the reason I chose this, you are going for like healthy lifestyle.
Is this healthy frying a donut?
I put tofu in it. Do you want to flip?
flip it?
Yeah.
With the paper?
Yeah. 優しく。
How do you flip it? I'm just gonna flip it this way.
Yeah.
Come on, little bubble. Why do you do the paper?
Because
it, like-
if you put like this, it's gonna fall
Oh,
apart. So,
got
but this is kind of hold
Yeah,
together.
hold it.
紙取りましょうか。
Kami?
紙。
Kami?
うん、
Move it? Take the paper off.
It's easy, right?
Ooh, yasachi-ku.
優しくひっくり返しましょ
Ora?
う。うん、きつね色。
Even color.
うんふん。
This one's looking yasachi cute.
ナイス。じゃあ次にグレーズをつけます。
Glaze the donut.
はい。
Little dip, donut dip. Oh, this is like an American-sized donut, actually. How cute!
Alright. じゃあここに
Kokoni,
ここにはいこれを
Oh, cute!
Yeah.
It's like a little lime zest decoration.
はい。Don't burn yourself.
Ooh, get a lot of glaze on this one.
じゃあこれ。
Now a little this. Ooh, 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 ooh.
はい。できました。
Yosh! What'd you say?
できました。
Dakimashita. How did I do?
Slightly bigger, but it looks great.
Yeah.
And let me get mine.
Yeah,
and we
let's
can
compare.
compare.
I love it.
Moment of truth.
Oh
Wow.
my god.
It's just like the different size.
just super sized. It's as big as my face.
Cheers.
Yum.
You like it?
It is a mochi donut. The lemon and lime citrus, really fresh.
I like donut with kind of tart glaze.
Yeah, you don't like too sweet. And it's really nice. Yeah. All right.
Let's try yours.
Let's try.
Mmm. Nice. Good job.
Thank you. I'm very proud of myself.
Amazing.
I did it again. It tastes really similar. It's
Oh,
just
yeah.
way bigger.
And you don't taste tofu, right?
No.
Yeah.
I forgot there was even tofu in it.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, I couldn't eat the whole one of that, but I probably could eat the whole one of that.
Did you enjoy?
Oh yeah, I love it. I love it.
Yay.
Very Instagrammable. Yeah.
If you make it at home, tag us on the Instagram. We would love to see
I
it.
want to see.
And comment below what you want Alex to make next. All right.
See you next time.
Thank you so much.
What do you say in Japanese?
Mata ne.
Matane.
Bye.